Good morning, children. Children, today in EVS we will discuss about our neighborhood. What are we going to learn today? We will learn about the places near our house, and we will also learn about the people who help us. Children, we live with our family in our homes. There are many families that live near or around a home. They are our neighbors. A group of houses and families living around a house along with other important places near a house form our neighborhood. One thing more, children, we should be friendly with our neighbors and help them in time of need. Our neighborhood provides us many useful services, so let us learn about some of them, and we will also learn about the people who help us. Yes, so here we can see some of our important neighborhood places. We can see here hospital, police station, school, fire station. So these are some of the important places which we have in a neighborhood. Now, market. A market has many shops that sell different things. So there should be a market in every neighborhood for people to buy things they need for daily use. Some of the shops found in a neighborhood market are milk vendor's shop. We can buy milk, butter, paneer and ice cream, etc. We go there to buy all these things for our family. A grocery shop. A grocery shop sells things we need daily, such as spices, soap, shampoo, pulses and eggs. So we go there to buy food items and things for our daily use, such as soap, toothpaste and many other things which I have already revised. We get fruits and vegetables at the greengrocer's shop. For birthday celebrations or when we need biscuits and breads, we go to the bakery shop. So a bakery sells breads, cakes, biscuits and buns. A chemist shop is also there. We go there to buy medicines and band-aids. And a stationery shop is also there in the market, where we go to buy stationery items such as pens, pencils, erasers, etc. Fire station and fire brigade. We call the fire station to help us put out fires. A fire station has red colored vents called fire engines that firefighters use to put out a fire. We can simply dial 101 to call up the fire station. Police station. A police station is the place where the police works. The police makes our neighborhood safe. They protect us from all kinds of danger. Whenever there is some kind of trouble or robbery takes place in a house, we go to the police station to report it. A police officer is in charge of the police station, and he or she helps us in time of trouble. To call the police, we can simply dial 100 and get help. Hospital. Children, we go to a hospital when we are sick. A hospital has many doctors and nurses who help us to get well. A doctor treats us and a nurse looks after us till we get better. All good hospitals have a special van called an ambulance that takes us to the hospital. When there is an emergency, we can simply dial 102 to call an ambulance. Children, one thing I want to tell you, sometimes in our neighborhood there are small dispensaries. A dispensary is not as big as a hospital. It has a few doctors who treat us and give us medicines when we fall ill. Small neighborhoods usually have a dispensary. Park. Children, park is an important place for us. And every good neighborhood has a park where we can play and enjoy. A park has lots of trees, plants, swings for children. And most of the parks have a path for walking or jogging. We get fresh air when we go to the park for a morning walk or even in the evening. So we should keep our parks clean and not litter them. School. Children, everybody knows the school plays an important role in our life. All good neighborhoods have a school. We go to our school to study and play. A teacher teaches us many things in school. She nurtures us all the good moral and ethical values along with the academics. Malls. Children, these days lots of malls are there in our city. We go to malls whenever sometimes we feel bored or when we go for shopping. We go to the malls where so many shops are there to buy things. A shopping mall or shopping center is a building or a set of buildings where you can buy things. So malls have many shops. They also have restaurants and a movie hall inside. So whenever we want some recreation or we want to celebrate some parties or birthday parties, we go along with our friends to mall. There is a supermarket also, everything is there. So we can go there, whatever we need to buy. Banks and ATMs. Children, we know whenever we need money from our savings, we go to the bank. A bank is a place where people keep money in a savings account. We go to a bank to withdraw or deposit money. We can also keep our valuables safe in our bank lockers. We go to an ATM when we need money from the ATM machine. We operate it and we get the money from the ATM. So now children, let's revise what have we learned today. The area around a house is a neighborhood. We can live comfortably at a place where neighborhood is well developed. A well-developed neighborhood has many important places. The neighborhood places provide us useful services which make our life easy and comfortable. Our neighborhood has places such as market, a mall, a hospital, a park, a police station, a fire station, a school, a bank, petrol station, bus stand, etc. A market is a place that has many shops like that of a grocer, florist, chemist, and hairdresser. A police station is a place where police officers work. They help maintain order and law in a neighborhood. We can file a complaint or report a theft here. We go to a hospital when we are sick. We call at the fire station to put out fire. A school is a place where we learn new things. A bank is a place from where we keep our money and valuables safe. So children, it's our duty to keep our neighborhood clean. So children, we finish this lesson, our neighborhood. Have a nice day. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.